Hello and welcome on this very busy Thursday evening. Now, the United States Federal Reserve cut interest rate at Wednesday, its first rate cut since December. As the cultural, now the central bank moved to stabilize a wambling labor market, even as President tariff continued to push up price. Now, rates are open at the range of 4% to 4.25%, the lowest since November of 2022. But the decision is likely to satisfy the president, who has lampooned the Fed for acting too late and called for far bigger cut. Now jobs gain have slowed and the downside risk to unemployment have risen. Now the Fed chairperson Jerome Powell said during the closely watched press conference at the same time. He warned inflation has picked up. It is reasonable to expect that the president will lead to one-time shift in price. Now Powell suggests, but it is also possible that the inflationary effects could instead to more persistent, and it is a risk to be assumed and managed, he said. Now our obligation is to be ensured that one time increase in price level does not become an ongoing inflation problem. Last month, now the president moved to fire Fed governor, claiming she committed mortgage fund by listing up two properties as her primary resident on mortgage applications. But Cooks has denied wrongdoing and insisted that the president has no authority to remove her. At the same time, now the US president tariff has caused a slow but steady increase in price. Inflation is in August climbed 2.9% after dipping down at 2.3% in April. Now the Yale budget labs estimate that tariffs will cost households an average of $23,000 will remain unclear to economists is the nature of this tariff related price increase. Will they amount to a one-time price increase as companies passes on tariff cost to consumer, or will be impacted on inflation be more permanent? The biggest concern for economists is the possibility that unemployment and the price continue to rise, which could lead to what economists call stagflation. For now, Fed officials believe that the labor market is a bigger concern, though prices are still likely to increase in higher interest. The director of non-partisan congressional budgets, has said that the tariff has already missed price increase at a faster pace that was initially anticipated. IT stocks jumped up to 3% in intraday deal on Thursday, now pushing the Nifty IT index higher for the third day after a rate cut of US Federal Reserve. Overnight boosted investor sentiment. Now during the 3-day rally, the Nifty IT PAX jumped 3% in trade. Today, LTIMindtree shares emerged as the top index gainer, rising as much as 3% to the day's peak of 5,619. Now it was followed by Infosys and of course Wipro, rising 2% each to the day's high of 1,555 to 259 respectively. Emphasis, Coforge and SCL Tech added 1% each. Meanwhile, other IT stocks like TCS, Tech Mahindra, OFSS and the Persistent System also traded in the green, extending gains to the 8 consecutive sessions. Multi-bagger defense stocks like Mazgaon Tech Shipbuilders climbed over 0.5% in morning trade on NSE. Mazgaon Tech Shipbuilders shares price opened at 3,008 against its previous close to 2,997 and rose 0.70% to hits on intraday high of 3,017. Mazgaon Dock, like several other defense stocks, has seen strong momentum on the prospect of strong demand and the increased governmental focus on the sector. Brokerage firm Global Capital Market highlighted that during FY25 annual defense production reached a new high of approximately 151 lakh crores, up to 18% year-on-year growth. Now exports also sourced to a record of 23,622 crores in union budget that the FY26 the government collected allocated the 6,081 lakhs crores for defense. This includes the 1.880 lakh crores dedicated to capex and the modernization. Crucially, 75% of this capital budget is reserved for domestic procurement and so a major boost for local manufacturer, including a design portion of private industry. Global Capital observed that the capital market has an overweight on the stocks with a target price of 3,900. This implies 31% upside potential from the stocks September, closing around 2,997 on NSE. Now the brokerage firm expects that the company top lines to grow nearly 15% will FY25 based on the strong order book and its execution capabilities. It's further believed that the company may post exponential, proving that the 88 to 96 in FY26 to 27 respectively. It has a strong order book of worth 32,260 crores till FY25 end. Now we maintain an overnight trading based on the price call ratio to 3,920 on the FY27. Now considering these technical factors, that recommended initial long position to 3,950 to 3,000 zones, a protective stop loss of 2,800 on a daily close basis is advised to manage downside risk. Now on the upside, the stock has the potential to move toward 3,300 target. The overall setup indicates a favorable risk-reward scenario. Now on to your daily time frame, the stock has also given a breakout from its consolidated range, hinting a potential resumption of a broader uptrend. That's all. I shall see you soon.